You must know that Samsung is a South Korean smartphone manufacturer company, but its phone is very famous all over the world. Now Samsung is going to launch theirs most awaited smartphone, Galaxy S25 Ultra. This phone has been designed to compete with the special iPhone 16 Pro Max. Now before the launch, the renders of this magnificent phone have also come. In today's video we will give information about this superb smartphone's full leaked features, price, and launch date. So let's start. Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra's features. Samsung Galaxy S25 is being launched with the 6.83-inch dynamic LTPO, AMOLED 2X panel. In this you have 1440 x 3120 pixels high resolution, and 454 ppi pixel density is available. Apart from this, it will be C2600 nits pic brightness, 120 Hz refresh rate, and Gorilla Glass armor. Camera setup. In Galaxy S25 Ultra you will see 5 camera setup in this phone. Here you will get to see a 200 megapixel camera, with OIS support. Apart from this, 4 other sensors will be given. Apart from this 50 megapixel selfie camera is available for selfie in its front. Processor. In this magnificent smartphone you have to see the most powerful processor, Snapdragon 8 Gen 4. Talk towards the operating system, then you will get to see the latest Android 15. With this, you will be provided the latest Android update up to 5 years. Battery backup. In this powerful phone of Samsung, the lithium polymer battery of 5000 mAh is available. Apart from this, 120 watts fast charging, 50 watt wireless charging, and the convenience of reverse charging of 10 watts will also be available. Price or launch date. Talk about the price, then its price is expected to be around $1,800. Talk towards launch date, then there is no official information about it, but it is expected that it will be presented this year.